In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a dedicated email domain in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so your emails send from your own branded domain, which helps with deliverability, trust, and consistent branding. Before we start, make sure you're logged in with the right permissions and have a domain you control. It's also helpful to have access to your domain host's DNS settings in case verification is required. Using a dedicated sending domain separates your reputation from other senders and gives inbox providers clearer signals that your messages are legitimate. Let's jump in. From your GoHighLevel dashboard, head to Settings. You'll find it in the left-hand navigation as the gear icon. This is the command center for account-level controls, and it's where email infrastructure is configured. Inside Settings, click Email Services. This area manages how your emails are sent and authenticated. It's where you'll connect sending services and manage domains, so everything related to deliverability lives here. Next, select Dedicated Domain and IP. This section focuses on giving your account its own sending identity. Even if you're not using a dedicated IP, adding a dedicated domain is a powerful way to improve alignment and reduce the risk of shared reputation issues. You'll see any existing domains listed here along with their status. Now click Add Domain. This opens a simple form to connect the domain you want to send from. If you already see a domain on the list, you can review its status, but for a new branded identity, you'll add a fresh one here. Type in the domain you intend to use for sending, and then click Add and Verify. A quick tip. Many teams prefer a subdomain such as mailyourdomain.com or sendyourdomain.com to keep DNS tidy and to isolate sending activity from the main website. Double-check for typos before you proceed. Accuracy matters for verification. After you click Add and Verify, GoHighLevel will check for the necessary records and show you what's needed, if anything. If verification doesn't clear immediately, that's normal. DNS can take time to propagate. Keep the page open, give it a little time, and then try verifying again as prompted in the interface. Once your domain shows as verified, you're set. Your campaigns and automations can now send from your dedicated domain, which strengthens authentication and helps your emails land where they should. That's it. Settings, email services, dedicated domain, and IP, add domain, then add and verify. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a quick test send from within your account and keep an eye on performance as your reputation builds.